Hi all. Have you ever gotten a drill bit stuck or broken into a project that you've been working on? Well, here's a good fix to get your drill bit out of your piece. If you can't pull it out with a pair of pliers, or you can't push it out with a hammer or what have you, I like to heat up some water on a hot plate, get it nice and hot or warm. Usually I like to boil it, to be honest. It works a little bit faster because I'm impatient. But I'm mixing in some alum, which you could find at any grocery store in the spice section. And the alum will dissolve the steel. So yay science, science for the win. The alum will dissolve the steel and you'll be able to continue working on your project as usual. So this piece that my student has been working on, they broke 2 drill bits as we've been working on some stone setting. Broke 2 drill bits to prepare for the settings, and now we need to dissolve the drill bits in order to continue working on them. So I am working on dissolving the steel for them, and hopefully by the end of the day the drill bits will have been dissolved. So I'm going to check on this periodically, add more alum to the container as needed. And if I need to turn the heat up, I will. Yeah, just keep an eye on it and don't burn yourself.